Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we're trying to find the percentage difference in the gravity's effect on an aircraft when it is at 13,000 meters above sea level compared to sea level. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. Here we got two sets of gravity, one at sea level, one at 13,000 meters above sea level. Alright, this will help you visualize the problem. Next, list all the given values and the unknown. This will help you figure out formulas. Step 2, find the formula for the percentage of the aircraft weight at altitude compared to sea level. So it's delta G divided by base G. In this case, base G is just sea level, so I'll just put base G just so you have a generic equation, and then you multiply by 100. Step 3, find the percentage of the aircraft weight when it is at altitude. So we've got the difference in gravity, so 9.807 minus 9.767 divided by the base of 9.807. So these two are the sea level gravity respectively, and this one is the altitude gravity. Then we multiply all of this by 100, and this will give us a percentage. So the percentage is 0.407, which is then rounded up to two decimal places, which is 0.41%. So it is less than 1%. So at 13,000 meters above sea level, the difference in weight is only less than 1%. So it is 0.41%. So when you are at that altitude, you are slightly lighter. Also, the aircraft is slightly lighter. It's not negligible, but it is a very small amount in difference. Alright, disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. And before we leave, I encourage you to save this video on your PC, just in case it gets taken down for whatever reason. It shouldn't, but just in case. So I'm sure you're familiar with snipping tool, so just search snipping tool on your Windows. If you're on Mac, I'm sure there's a similar program. And from there, use the snipping tool. Click on video option, click on new, and then left click drag the rectangle on the YouTube screen. So this is just an example. And then click the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button, let the video play out until it finishes, hit the red square to stop recording, save the video. Okay, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Definitely share with your friends because this is not in the textbook, so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, put it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.